When Window World came out to install the door, I was actually kind of nervous about how they were going to leave the job site after the work was done. But luckily and fortunately, and it's also a testament to how professional they are, they left it cleaner than what they found it. It's just really great to work with not only a local company, but a company that treated our home just like it was their own. What's really misleading about Window World's name is that it's Window World, so you just think they specialize in windows. But we were pleasantly surprised to find out that not only do they do windows, but they do doors, they do gutters, roofing, pretty much anything on the exterior of the home, Window World could help you with. And it's just really great to be able to work with one company for all those needs. So when it comes to a home's entryway, if you're having guests over that have never been there before, it's the first impression that they're gonna get before they walk and see the inside of the home. So having something that's bold, dramatic, that's beautiful is really, really important, especially to us and what we do in our creative fields. So having this door here has made a huge impression on our friends and our family, and we've even had people come and drive up to our driveway and tell us how cool this door is. So it's made a big statement not only for people coming in, but people just driving by, and it's absolutely wonderful. So when it comes to the door that Window World installed for us here at our home, they were so helpful when it came to the selection process, different coatings of glass, things that you wouldn't even think about when it comes to a front door. Sometimes if you just go onto a home improvement website, you could search through their inventory and you think it's about it. But Window World took a lot of time to let us know the differences in specific colors, wood grains, glass, so that way we had the door that was best designed for our home and for our needs.
We're working with a locally owned store, and my experience with working with clients, and everyone wants to have a great experience and a transaction that is seamless. So with Window World in particular, they walk you through, they give you this one-on-one treatment and almost a white glove service where they follow through with every detail that you're looking for.